The release of Facebook Stories last week actually brought up a lot of questions and concerns that I'll address in this video. I've been pretty vocal about I think the cell phone is going to be obsolete in less than 5 years now. And in order to do that, these smart glasses, which seems to be the best technology that's going to come up and replace the cell phone, it's just a much more efficient way to receive all the data that we're getting through these devices now. And I'm convinced that if it is to replace the phone, they're going to need to have cameras, because that camera is such an integral part of why people have phones. The biggest thing that I think Facebook screwed up on is that they changed the industry standard of a red, either blinking or solid light for record. I don't know why they went to a white light that could look like a sun flare or a speck of dust or whatever, but I think that really went a long way kind of elevating this controversy of whether smart glasses should even have cameras. And it upset me when most of the comments were, why do these smart glasses have cameras at all? And I didn't see a lot of people defending why they should have cameras. And I'm here in defense of the camera in the smart glass as someone that's tried a lot of different smart glasses like the View 6 Blades, the M400s, and the M4000s, which all have cameras, but they all have it for a different reason. And so that brings us to the biggest elephant in the room, which is, should these smart glasses have cameras that are able to be used to film people's everyday lives? The idea of public privacy is dead. You can just ask any one of these people. They were in a public place doing something stupid and they got caught. That's going to be no different with these glasses. I like to use mine on vacation. I do wear them. I take good pictures because I like to actually experience where I'm at, not always be looking at it through a phone. I like to go watch hockey and just watch the game and know that something's recording and it's getting what I'm seeing. I don't like to pull out my phone and have to watch the game through that little screen. I work on motorcycles and I need my hands to kind of place things. I also like to film what I'm doing, and it's a great use for these cameras. And the spring gets all gummed up and these things just stop working. So in the M400, which is a little more industrial use, I tested and I used for something we haven't talked about, and why most of these smart glasses need cameras is for a billion-dollar industry that I think is growing, every day, of remote maintenance and remote service. Basically, you put them on, or a serviceman comes in, puts them on, can check with the more experienced people in their industry to see if they're doing everything right, if everything's hooked up right. And then eventually, I think every household is going to have some pair of glasses with cameras on it where they connect to a network. I fixed my bubble hockey machine with a pair of these by connecting to an expert at the bubble hockey machine. You can watch that video here, but it was absolutely a great experience, and how I think that things are going to be done in the future. Any of these glasses, and especially the M4000s, which are a little bit more beefy, needs cameras to scan QR codes in warehousing, or for any AR possibilities that come down the road. And also a huge thing that these are using the cameras for is for surgeons. Surgeons wear these glasses when they're performing an operation. One surgeon doing one of these can broadcast to a ton of different people, and they can learn how to do it. I wanted to put this out there that there are a lot of good uses for cameras in smart glasses, and that definitely the next generation of smart glasses will have cameras, and they will be used for a lot of good things. I hope that I've shown some real examples of why you do need these cameras in these glasses, and all the good that can come from it. So if you enjoy these things, please subscribe, like and subscribe, and you can go back and watch any number of the videos here. So I appreciate you watching. I hope it helped, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you.